Mayonnaise. It's a staple in kitchens around the world. From sandwiches to salads and even in gourmet dishes, mayonnaise adds a creamy texture and rich flavor that enhances a variety of foods. But have you ever stopped to think about how it's made? The process behind this everyday condiment is more intricate than you might imagine. It's a fascinating journey from simple ingredients to the creamy delight we know and love. Each step is crucial in transforming basic components into the smooth, luscious spread. The process starts with raw ingredients, things like eggs, oil, and vinegar. These are the building blocks of mayonnaise, each playing a vital role in the final product. These ingredients are carefully selected and prepared before they begin their transformation. Quality control is essential to ensure that only the best ingredients make it into the mix. They are combined and mixed in a specific way to create the perfect emulsion. This precise blending is what allows the oil and water-based ingredients to come together seamlessly. This emulsion is what gives mayonnaise its smooth, creamy texture. The consistency must be just right to achieve that signature mouthfeel. The journey doesn't stop there. Once the emulsion is perfect, the mayonnaise moves on to the next stages of production. The mayonnaise is pasteurized to ensure it's safe to eat, cooled down to maintain its texture and flavor, and then packaged into the jars we see in the grocery store. Each jar is sealed to lock in freshness, ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. So, the next time you reach for that jar of mayonnaise, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get from simple ingredients to your table. Let's break down the key ingredients that make mayonnaise so special. First up, we have eggs. Eggs are essential because they contain lecithin. Lecithin acts as an emulsifier, helping to bind the oil and water together. Next, we have oil. Oil is what gives mayonnaise its richness and creamy texture. Most commercial mayonnaise uses soybean oil, but other oils like canola oil or sunflower oil can also be used. We can't forget about vinegar. Vinegar adds a tangy flavor to mayonnaise and also acts as a preservative. And finally, a pinch of salt and sometimes a touch of sugar are added to enhance the flavor. Now let's talk about the magic of emulsification. An emulsion is a mixture of two liquids that normally don't mix, like oil and water. In mayonnaise, the lecithin in egg yolks acts as a bridge, surrounding the tiny oil droplets and suspending them evenly in the vinegar and water mixture. This is where the mixing process comes in. Industrial-sized mixers are used to combine the ingredients at high speeds. The high-speed mixing forces the oil into tiny droplets, which are then surrounded by the lecithin from the egg yolks. This creates a stable emulsion, preventing the oil and water from separating. The result? That smooth, creamy texture we love about mayonnaise. Section 4. Safety first, pasteurization's purpose. Once the mayonnaise is emulsified, it goes through a crucial step, pasteurization. This process is essential in the food industry, especially for products like mayonnaise that contain raw eggs. Raw eggs can harbor harmful bacteria such as salmonella, which can cause foodborne illnesses. By pasteurizing the mayonnaise, we ensure that any potential bacteria are eliminated, making the product safe for consumption. Pasteurization is a heat treatment process that kills any harmful bacteria that might be present in the mayonnaise. The process involves heating the mayonnaise to a specific temperature, which is high enough to destroy bacteria but not so high that it affects the quality of the product. This delicate balance is crucial to maintain the mayonnaise's flavor and texture. This is a critical step in ensuring that the mayonnaise is safe to eat. Quality control inspectors play a vital role in this process, constantly monitoring the pasteurization equipment and the mayonnaise itself to ensure that everything meets safety standards. They check for any signs of contamination and verify, effectively eliminating any potential health risks. This precise control over temperature and time is what makes pasteurization so effective. The exact parameters can vary depending on the type of product and the specific requirements of the production process. This process doesn't affect the flavor or texture of the mayonnaise, but it does provide peace of mind for consumers. Knowing that the mayonnaise has been pasteurized means that consumers can enjoy it without worrying about foodborne illnesses. In taste tests, pasteurized mayonnaise is often indistinguishable from non-pasteurized versions, proving that safety doesn't have to come at the expense of quality. Pasteurization is a standard practice in the food industry, ensuring that the products we consume are safe and free from harmful bacteria. It is a testament to the industry's commitment to food safety and quality. Workers in food factories are trained to handle pasteurization equipment and follow strict protocols to maintain the highest standards of hygiene and safety. This dedication helps to protect public health and maintain consumer trust in food products. Section 5. Chill out, cooling and quality control. After pasteurization, the mayonnaise needs to be cooled down quickly. This helps to preserve its freshness and prevent the growth of any remaining bacteria. The mayonnaise is rapidly cooled down in a controlled environment, bringing its temperature down to a safe level. During the cooling process, strict quality control measures are in place. Technicians carefully monitor the temperature, texture, and appearance of the mayonnaise to ensure it meets the highest standards. Any batches that don't meet these standards are rejected. This rigorous quality control process guarantees that only the best mayonnaise makes it to consumers' tables. Section 6. Jarring discoveries, packaging the creamy goodness. Now that the mayonnaise is perfectly emulsified, pasteurized, and cooled, it's time for packaging. The mayonnaise is pumped into clean, sterilized jars, ready to be sealed and labeled. Automated machines fill the jars with precise amounts of mayonnaise, ensuring consistency in every container. Once filled, the jars are sealed tightly to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Labels are then applied, providing important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. The packaged jars are then inspected one last time to ensure that lids are secure and labels are correctly applied. Section 7. From factory to table. Distribution and enjoyment. The final step in the journey of mayonnaise is distribution. After the jars are filled and sealed, they are carefully inspected to ensure quality. Each jar is labeled and packed into boxes, ready to be shipped out. The jars of mayonnaise are carefully loaded onto trucks and transported to warehouses and distribution centers. These centers act as hubs, where the mayonnaise is stored temporarily before being dispatched to various locations. From there, they're shipped to grocery stores, restaurants, and other retailers across the country. The logistics involved in this process are complex, ensuring that the mayonnaise reaches its destination in perfect condition. And just like that, the mayonnaise is ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Whether it's in a bustling restaurant kitchen or a cozy home, the journey of mayonnaise culminates in its enjoyment. Whether it's spread on a sandwich, adding a creamy texture and tangy flavor, used as a dip for fries, providing a rich and satisfying complement, or incorporated into a delicious recipe, enhancing the overall taste and texture, mayonnaise adds a creamy, tangy element to countless dishes. From salads to gourmet dishes, its versatility is unmatched. The next time you reach for a jar of mayonnaise, remember the intricate process that brought it to your shelf. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your table, from humble ingredients to a beloved condiment. It's a testament to the dedication and effort of countless individuals who ensure that this simple yet essential product is always available.